Hello and welcome. You're watching on Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe.
Coming up next, Salesian News Asia Pacific. Hello folks, glad to have you join us for the 165th episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host RJ Brian of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. The headlines this week. Rector Major nominated Cardinal Consistory on 30th September. Salesian TV hosts peace concert for violence hit Manipur. Toyota Salesians collaborate in Skill India mission. Students plant trees in 5-acre plot. Salesian family holds National Youth Assembly Days. 200 attend Wangtok Bosco Youth Camp in PNG. Thai students visit Salesian schools in Hong Kong. The news in detail. Rome Rector Major nominated Cardinal Consistory on 30th September. Father Harris Pakam reports from Rome.
At the Sunday Angelus in St. Peter's Choir on 9th July, Pope Francis announced a consistory for the creation of 21 new cardinals on 30th September 2023 in the Vatican. Listed among new cardinals is the 10th successor of Don Bosco, Father Angel Fernandez Artime. It will be the 20th Salesian Cardinal since Bishop John Calero was made first Salesian Cardinal in 1915.
Father Harris Pakam reporting.
The 5 joyful mysteries of the Rosary narrate events connected with Jesus' birth and growth. The next 5 mysteries of light show the light of God manifested through Jesus. The 5 sorrowful mysteries recount the agony and crucifixion of Jesus. The last 5 mysteries narrate the resurrection of Jesus and the glorification of his mother Mary. The 20 Stations of the Life-Size Rosary Way is an ideal project for Jubilee Year 2025. For hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco Past Pupil by email churchart.ganguly@gmail.com and WhatsApp/Telegram country code 919831020945.
India Salesian family joins peace concert for violence hit Manipur. Television anchor Miss Abigail Carmeliam reports from Shillong.
Salesians of Shillong join religious, faith and civil groups across the country in a prayer concert for restoration of peace in the violence-hit northeast Indian state of Manipur. Don Bosco Youth Centre Shillong and Don Bosco Media Network Television hosted the 3-hour-long concert on 9 July 2023. As many as 1,000 participants from members of several Salesian family groups took part in the concert, broadcast live on Don Bosco Media Network Television, as well as on YouTube, local cable network and OTT platform. The concert was a moment of prayer, reflection, music and dance to implore the blessing of God that peace might be restored in Manipur, reeling under violence since 3rd May 2023.
Miss Abigail Carmeliam reporting. India Toyota Salesians collaborate in Skill India mission. Faculty member Ms. Davida Paswet reports from Shillong.
Toyota Kirloskar Motor launched the first Toyota Technical Education Program (TTEP) Institute in Meghalaya State with the support of Automotive Skills Development Council on 5th July 2023. The initiative, hosted by Don Bosco Technical School Shillong, aims to skill students from rural areas and strengthen their employability through Toyota Company's unique TTEP training initiative. Meghalaya Cabinet Minister Dr. Maisel Amprin Lingdo and Toyota Kirloskar Country Head and Executive Vice President Vikram Gulati, as well as several senior executives, participated in the launch. The Don Bosco Technical School Shillong was established in 1923. It offers National Council for Vocational Training courses in 9 trades and other courses in 13 non-formal trades.
Ms. Davida Paswet reporting. India students plant trees in 5-acre plot. Father Vanga Joseph reports from Warangal.
The students of Don Bosco School Mariapuram in Warangal district of Telangana state launched a tree plantation campaign with a bugle call. The children standing along the fields with fruit-bearing saplings were enthused by a dedicated marching band heralding the plantation drive. They planted hundreds of saplings in the 5 acres of land, chanting lively slogans of "Grow Bosco" all along the half-a-kilometer stretch. And in the fields, the children held the saplings and at the count of 3 planted the saplings in one go. Addressing students, Father Noel, Director, Don Bosco Life Missions Procurator of the Salesian province of St. Joseph, Hyderabad, sounded the bugle for a Grow Bosco, emphasizing the need for climate resilience to overcome global warming through tree plantation. Don Bosco Mission Complex, under the leadership of Father Noel Madhichetti, hopes to plant 100,000 trees in the future.
Father Vanga Joseph reporting. You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonara, Darjeeling. Philippines, Salesians Sisters hold National Youth Assembly Day. Father Keith Amodia reports from Cebu.
Salesian Youth Movement Philippines held its second National Assembly Days at Don Bosco Retreat House, Cebu from 28 June to 2nd July 2023. With the theme Badayon, or Carry On, the event aimed to reinforce the significance of the movement amidst the challenges of a new normal to foster formation, celebrate the movement's roots in Christ, promote fellowship, and plan for the next 3 years. The National Assembly Days 2023 brought together some 60 delegates from 3 Salesian provinces in the Philippines, namely Philippine North Province, Philippine South Province, and FMA Philippine Province. The event gathered youth leaders, animators, Salesian priests, and Salesian sisters, all united by their commitment and passion for Salesian youth empowerment. Facilitating the planning process was Provincial Father Fidel Maria Orendine, who guided the participants all throughout the Assembly Days.
Father Keith Amodia reporting. Papua New Guinea 200 attend Wontok Bosco Youth Camp. Miss Patrina Kabuanga reports from Boroko.
Don Bosco Tech Boroko hosted Wontok Bosco Youth Camp from 23rd to 25th June 2023. The camp had some 200 participants and animators from Salesian institutions and parishes around Port Moresby and Araimiri Gulf Province. Provincial Superior Father Gregorio Bicomong spoke on being yeast in today's world. Father Ambrose Pereira and Miss Lucy Napitalai spoke on youth being agents of social change through the use of social media. The young people then produced jingles and posters on camp theme to spread positive messages. A lively talk show encouraged young people to foster values based on their Catholic faith that will help them in their career pathways. The camp concluded on Sunday Mass, celebrated by Salesian Bishop Pedro Baquero of Kerema, Salesian Sister Carmencita Rodriguez, and Father Moise Palaco coordinated the camp.
Miss Patrina Kabuanga reporting. Thailand, Thai students visit Salesian schools in Hong Kong. Ms. Panita Manosantipap reports.
Sang Thong Witya Salesian School, together with some FMA schools in Thailand, organized an educational and cultural exchange trip with the schools run by the Salesian family in Hong Kong from 25th June to 1st July 2023. The group, led by Brother Tanat Anand, headmaster of the school, and 4 daughters of Mary, Help of Christians, and 2 teachers, had 34 students. The visitors had various activities together with students from 3 schools: the DMHC Sui Ming Catholic Secondary School, the Aberdeen Technical School, and Tang King Po School. It was a nice opportunity to get to know the culture of Hong Kong and to share a moment of friendship in a Salesian atmosphere. Also important was the presence of 10 young people from the Salesian youth movement in Hong Kong who looked after the visitors in their trip.
Ms. Panita Manosantipap reporting.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.